Loving these cycle lanes in Spain. Absolutely brilliant. Wouldn't do this at home, but they have the space in this country to do it. So the plan today is to catch the ferry over to La Manga from Santiago. The next ferry is at excuse me, 11:30, and we're on our way there now. So fingers crossed I'll make it in time. Santiago just there in the distance. Hoping there's a queue so it'll delay the boat leaving. Last time I wanted to do this, there was no boat, so it's a good job I didn't go all the way around to La Manga and pedal back. Oh man, Militia Zona, the airport on the right here. So back in a mo. We're into Santiago now. See the boat. There it is. Oh yeah, time that just right. Paga? Oh, sí. Oh, hey, rock the boat. Hola. Oh, sí, gracias. Bien. Oh, gracias.
Y esto es tuyo y esto es tuyo.
Bueno, voy a...
Gracias.
Sí, ahora sí. Gracias.
De nada. Made it just in time, with about 2 or 3 minutes to spare. So let's begin.
Let's begin now.
Zig it. Certified worldwide. Live from Kingston, Jamaica right now. Beanie Mind, Rock City, St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. We coming. It's Greg Street. It's certified worldwide.
In the distance in Los Morros. Just come from Santiago de la Ribera. I can see the Manga over there. And we will be riding back. Down La Manga, all the way through Playa Blanca, Los Felices, Mar Cristal, Los Felices, Punta Brava. Quite a few jellyfish in the water as we've been coming out from Santiago to La Manga. A bit of an overcast day, but we are getting closer to La Manga now. And once it docks, I'll jump on the bike and just start the ride back. This takes about half an hour, 3/4 to get across. This is the relaxing part of the ride, just floating on life, on the waves of life. A lot more closer now, coming into La Manga. Should be docking in about 10 minutes. That in the distance is Cabeza Comoli, which looks like you could spit to it from here. So much fun that. That's a lot of jellyfish. I thought they'd put the nets up this year to stop influx of them, but millions of them. All shapes and things. Absolutely. I couldn't stand into That's the quicker way to get across. Just coming into the port now. Gracias. There we go, guys. La Manga ferry. Looks like a load of people going out for a little jet ski fly around the Marmanoir. Come on, keep up at the back. So that in the distance is one of the inlets from the Mediterranean to the saltwater lagoon, which is known as the Marmanoir, the large sea. We're going that way. Hopefully if I zoom in, that's a better view of one of the inlets of the Med to the Marmanoir. Okay, if memory serves me correctly, we'll go past all these restaurants on the left and boating shops and the marina on the right. And we go out through some arches that take us onto the main calle, main road. Here we go. Salida el Puerta. Could have sworn that was Keir Starmer there. No, thought it was. Wasn't quite him. Let's head up and have a look at the Mediterranean Sea, darling. Thought I might as well ride up and have a closer look at this bridge, even on a dedicated cycle path. That's where we were, just down by the port, and we've gone all the way around, come up the bridge. This is the watchtower, and this bridge is a drawbridge. You can hear the metal underneath, and there's barriers there. Let's close it off when they have to raise it. And that, over there in the distance, is Isla Grossa, which means large island. And there's the Med. So we're going to go all the way down there, along, around, back into Los Naranjos and Los Alcázares. I remember this restaurant from the last time I did this trip. It looks like a boat. Barco is boat in Spanish. It's very good. A building that looks like a boat on the edge of the Marmanoir. How cool is that? Restaurante. There's a better view of that. Isla Grossa. Large island. And the building right here, as you can see, they're going to have some fantastic views. But all the Manga strip is just high-rise buildings all the way along. A couple of restaurants, shops, but it's mainly residential. So I've got a new addition today. I've got this panuela, is bandana in Spanish, and it's just protecting the back of my neck from the sun, because my neck got pretty sunburnt the other day when I rode to Cartagena. So I don't want that again today. So it was only €1.25 bargain. I could have it as like an old lady hat, couldn't I? Like with my rollers in. Anyway, let's carry on. I'm going along the promenade and just enjoying today. 13 kilometres was the marker I've just been past, so it's 13 clicks that way and a few more clicks that way. Amazing views of the Med. These are so close to the seafront. I bet they're a fair price. Like I said, the views are amazing. Keep going along the promenade if I can. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. Oh, I do like to do down the rest of the words. Cool. Lovely day for it. A couple of little dotted promenades, but I'll just leave them and rejoin them. A little bit further down on another promenade now, but I'm not sure if you can see, but the mist coming off the sea and blowing the sand. The wind comes from the Med that way and he's blowing inland. You see that yellow flag? So that means I am heading, when I get to the end of La Manga, inland. So I should be wind assisted. And there's a couple of clouds today. It makes it a little bit relentless with the sunshine on me. So I'm going to keep riding along the front, as you do, taking in the view. Okay, time for some skills, girls. And back on the main road. Just saw this and I thought I might as well have a look-see while I'm here. Just take my bike up to the first level. So if you had this as your front line property, this is the view you get. Put my bike down. So you've got Marmanor over there and the Met right on your doorstep. Imagine waking up seeing this every morning. Oh my days. The place that dreams are made of. Somebody's got a little garden shed there. Let's go. Health and safety. Not. Wow. Top floor. That is so cool. Somebody's probably called the civil guard on me or the police, yeah. Everybody's looking at me. He's gonna jump. Wow, how cool is that? Wow, wow, wow. I remember this abandoned shopping centre before. Looks like all the shops have gone now. You used to be able to ride down the side of there. All derelict. Shame, really. Let's have some more Med. So nice. It's such a nice day. You've got to take advantage of the promenades where you can. I see the Marmanor all the time. It's just nice to see the Med for a change. Nice to see big waves. Like that. It's amazing. Facilities as well in Spain are second to none. Now showers, feet washes, everything. Little walkways down to the sea. Excellent. Today will probably be a two-parter. Just spotted a castle style apartment blocks. I've forgotten about these. It's so cool. I'm going to take a closer look. Castillo de Mar. I do think these are so cool. So this side is facing the Mediterranean and the other side is facing the Marmanor. Castillo de Mar. See where it takes us. Oh wow. You get a good view from this side over to Spain. Wow, that's pretty funky. Just come past the 4 kilometre sign, so it's nearly at the end of La Manga, but we've ridden all the way from over there, down a few promenades, and picking up a few beaches, and this is the sort of pinnacle point where the rocks meet the sea and the sand disappears. But everybody having a nice time. This is a nice beachline front property here with the pool going down, looks nice. A few quid as well. Looks like they've got some sort of little mini golf course there, isn't it? Random. So we're going to carry on just along that bit and then head back through Playa Honda. Let's call that end of part 1. Ending on the Med, and we'll go now down the pueblos of the Mar Menor, Playa Honda, Mar de Cristal, Los Niatos, Los Furitos, Punta Brava, Carmoli, etc, etc. Catch you in a bit, guys. Hasta pronto. Stay tuned for part 2.